Good evening, I'm Giuseppe Basile, I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the website www.fibstalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good evening, today is Sunday, December 22nd, 2013, and I'm in Toronto. It's 1 a.m. in the morning, and I'm still reviewing the market. And in this video, which I only distribute to my newsletter subscribers, and the newsletter is for free, you can go on the website and subscribe it. You can subscribe it for free. I'm going to review for you three markets: the US dollar versus Japanese yen, the euro versus Japanese yen, and the pound versus Japanese yen. So I will start from the US dollar versus Japanese yen and from the weekly chart. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart of this pair, and those who follow me know that I've been focusing and timing this measured move here, 94, now for a few months. And we know that this level of support here, which worked very well, we had this consolidation on top of support as targets above. And on the daily chart we can see these targets, and I'm going to trace again the extension long here. We know that the extension can meet and reach the first target, but they can also continue to the second target. And this market, with the move we had, thanks to the FOMC reaction here after the tapering, we now have the possibility of just continue higher into this 108.30 area here. I want also to show you an inner move that I've been commenting in the last few months, and this comes at 97.70 area here. Initially there was a violation, but eventually the area started giving support to price and brought price into the first target, which was aligned to previous highs, 103.30, and we saw some profit taking multiple times at this level, and then eventually we saw a breakout here the day of the FOMC. Now the target of the larger time frame, the weekly time frame with the support at 94, would be at 108.30, while the second target of this measured move, internal measured move at 97.70, would be 106, which helps price into that that larger target. So this is what we can anticipate on the daily chart for this pair. Moving to the euro versus the Japanese yen, we had here a similar move, but this market can be characterized by another measure move, another trace, and we saw price finding support in this 126 area initially to the pip almost, and then price dipped into this, and price is now very close to that 143.10. That's the level I've been watching, and it's clearer on the daily, and we saw market moving into 136.29 first target, and now it's the market is moving towards that second target. So we can move to the daily and show that actually we're approaching the 143.12. we are not still there. I would not consider this target hit at the moment. I want to see price to touch 143.10, and actually likewise the other markets will just get a continuation higher, in which case we will need to identify a proper anchor that will lead the continuation. If we get a retracement, we know that the next level of support is going to be in the 138.40 area here. Moving to the pound versus Japanese yen, again what you see on the screen is the weekly, and euro and pound are always behave similarly, although not the same level, but typically when they are in a long, they're buying along. And pound versus Japanese yen and euro versus Japanese yen seems to be behaving the same way. We had this trace 147.40 level. We got into the first target 161, and the second target we saw some profit taking there, which is clear on the even on the weekly time frame, and the next support will be in 164 OJ. All these markets are accelerating, so it means that we might need to identify new anchors that will model program trading activity. You see the same trace here, 147.30 support on the daily, and on this time frame we are seeing probably here a formation of a small consolidation and maybe a continuation higher. So not really a lot to do if you trade on the daily here, and we should be careful here because we are in a profit taking area second target, and we could just correct back. So do not assume anything as usual in these markets. I hope this video helps you and it's interesting. This is the second video of the 3 videos that I always send to my free newsletter subscribers in the weekend. If you want to receive the newsletter, just subscribe fibstalker.com. I use new concepts on modeling, price and program trading, so I don't choose traditional technical analysis. And I have also a technique which I call fib stalking, and it's a timing technique that allows us to test this large level and small level of support and resistance, identify the true modeling of program trading. I want to wish you and your family a happy Christmas holiday, and I hope you will all be happy and relaxed after these holidays to start again a new year and see what the new year will bring to us. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.